We are absolutely exploding with color right now. It is spring. Cherry blossoms are blooming and, oh, hi. Hi, little one. We have ranunculus going bananas behind me, and I thought it'd be a great time to share with you some of the beautiful varieties that we've been growing this year. And maybe you'll find some of your own and grow some for next fall and spring. Come along. We're in hardiness zone 9B. We pre-soak our ranunculus corms in late October and plant them out about 2 weeks after when they've sprouted. Because we don't drop down to prolonged freezing temperatures, we can plant in the fall. Our ranunculus start to wake up when temperatures start hitting around, say 50 to 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Ranunculus actually prefer the cooler spring temperatures, and the early planting really allows them to take hold and get established. With our planting schedule, our first blooms arrived this year at the end of March. If we have a colder winter, we probably expect them no later than the first or second week of April. You can also do an early spring planting of ranunculus, but the likelihood is that you may not get as good production and stem length just because the plants haven't had the cooler temperatures to get established. I first of all want to share with you butterfly ranunculus. Here's our little garden Cat Cersei. This is Grace's. It's a pale, pale yellow. You can tell that they have exceptional stem length. And this is Helios, which is a little tiny bit shorter and a little brighter in yellow tone. But these make beautiful, beautiful blending flowers and also filler. And they outright could really make for a great focal as well. This is Menan, absolutely one of my favorites this year. Lots and lots of buds. And I usually harvest these when there are 1 to 2 flowers open, and as you can tell, there's lots of buds on them, so they continue to open and have excellent vase life. And right behind is the slightly darker pink called Musa. Now hold on tight. I'm going to show you one other one that's my absolute favorite. So this is an absolute must for butterfly ranunculus. This is Fiva. She is a very, very pale lavender and purple centered butterfly ranunculus, but she is just boosting with color and again, exceptional stem length. All the butterfly ranunculus that we grow here come from Greenworks, which is in the Netherlands, and they have rights to all these butterfly ranunculus come from a Japanese breeder named Aya Enji. Here are what we would call some novelty varieties of ranunculus. This is Brushmark Caesar, again from the Japanese breeder Aya Enji. And this is Courchevel. These are a few stems of Courchevel that I harvested a few days ago, and you can see they've just continued to open up and unfurl. Their head sizes are absolutely huge. If you're looking for something fun yet elegant, look no further. Look at this beauty. This is Poodle Ramia. I just love the fluffy, fluffy petals. I would definitely say, if you were going to ask me what type of ranunculus to grow, tried and true, you can have access to it, no problem getting it in fall, I would certainly recommend the Elegant series of these Italian clone ranunculus. They have exceptional stem length. They're always bursting with blooms, tons of stems. And as long as your weather stays relatively cool in early spring, you'll have very, very productive crop. And here are some more Picotee varieties of Italian ranunculus, which we absolutely love. They're great for bringing colors together because they have so much color in them with a little fringe. Now, you really need to take a look at the size of this one. This is a Hanoi Italian ranunculus. It is the size of my palm. These beauties are really, really, really exceptional. And I would say the one drawback about them is that their stems are quite thick. So they're sometimes a little harder to hide when you're making more fine centerpieces. But if you're just putting them into, say, a flower bundle, they'll do just fine. There's always something for everyone. These little pom-poms are super fun. They have this green center with the white etching on the petals. We also have them in this color, which I believe is Malva. And moving around to these pom-poms, super, super fun. One very new farm favorite is Salerno. Again, these ones came from Greenworks, from the Japanese breeder Aya Enji. Absolutely beautiful color. They almost look fake. Thank you for joining us today. I hope you enjoyed our ranunculus tour. Please click like and the notification button. Stay tuned for more garden tips and episodes on how we're growing our microflower farm. We're so happy that you've joined us. And as we say here at the farm, flowers or bust.